Hi, my name is Emily Pratt, and I'm the office manager at Kahuna Window Cleaning.
My name is Jake. I work for Kahuna Window Cleaning. Been part of the company since 2017.
Hi, my name is Matt. I worked for Kahuna Window Cleaning in 2017.
Hi, my name is Michael Peterson, and I worked at Kahuna last summer.
They're great to work for. Some of the things I appreciate most about them is how positive they are. I love that they see the potential in their employees and they help pull that out in them.
It was a very positive atmosphere, a very good environment to work in, and an environment that I can look forward to coming into. It's not something you get everywhere you go.
They're willing to take the time and recognize when an employee is doing a good job.
They make sure you're trained in well and you're doing a good job.
If they do see you struggling with something, you can go to them with that, and they're willing to walk alongside you and encourage you and help you to get to the other side of that. So not only do they care about you, but they also care about your family.
I really like the pay. Andy has a great system worked out.
It's great pay and promote with them.
They like to have fun. We have a blast every day. I love interacting with the crew out on the jobs, and I hear stories about the fun that they have on the jobs.
In the sunshine with the trees and the flowers, they're all very nice and lovely.
The co-workers, everyone you work with is really friendly. We always have a good time. Everyone's really close.
That I really enjoyed spending time with my employers and spending time with the other workers on the crew.
And I can just give you a heads up that if you're ever at one of our company parties, we like to laugh.
One of the best features of working there was the fact that I lost 5 pounds that summer. Just got thinner and thinner as I climbed more and more ladders. So I was getting in shape on the job. I got tan on the job as well.
One of my favorite parts about the job is getting to travel around the cities.
It's nice to travel around Minnesota, see different parts.
All the different size houses and meeting all the customers.
I get to meet all sorts of different people. Get to see a lot of cats and dogs. So I made a few friends.
I think that anyone who gets the opportunity to work for this company would be just as grateful as I am.
It's just a great company to work for.
I hope you will consider working at Kahuna. I would probably like to work with you. I'm coming back this spring, starting in May, so it'll be good. See you then.